Connor, you were right. They shut off the water.
Did you fill up any bowls or anything?
Yeah, I filled up like a pot or something. Andy, come on, get over here. We're taking another fucking shot. This is bullshit. This one's gotta, oh my fucking God, can they stand up? This one's gotta be something good.
Good times.
I really hope that's not your actual cheers, Connor. Because that's not a fucking good cheers. Andy, you're up.
To knowing you guys.
Andy, you fucking kill me, you fucking teddy bear. You fucking bear of the night. Like a woman of the night, but you're a bear, you're a teddy bear.
Aww.
You're like a little stuffed animal that, I don't know, you're stuffed, you're full of cotton. That's all I have for you.
That's sweet.
All right, cheers to knowing you guys.
Knowing you guys.
To the roomies.
The roomies.
Wait, before we take that, I've always wanted to do this one thing, but I feel like it would come off as like douchey. There's like, I took Italian for like a year and a half and I never got to fucking use it, so here's my one Italian thing. When you cheers, you say salute, and then you clink each other. So it's double clink, we can practice. And then we take the drink, but we maintain eye contact the whole time. Okay?
Okay.
It's a double clink gulp. On three.
Can we maintain eye contact?
While the
Can you pull at the same time?
You guys can't do chameleon eyes? Okay.
I'm looking at both of you.
On three. In unison. Seriously, this is a real one. 1, 2, 3.
Salute!
Clink, clink. Oh, where's my fucking drink? What's up with you?
Nothing, just thinking about planning stuff.
Thinking about planning stuff, okay. Mr. Big Shot's gonna survive the whole fucking apocalypse. Gonna fucking go to the wilderness and fucking fuck a raccoon. Right, Andy?
Yeah. Fuck you, Andy. It's not about that.
I mean, aren't you even a little bit mad? This doesn't fucking piss you off? All your fucking dreams down the drain? Andy, you're pissed, right? You get pissed off.
Hell yeah, I do.
Fucking... Why is Connor, you're so fucking stoic? It's like fucking... the fucking animal from Winnie the Pooh, the like purple sloth, Igor.
Eeyore?
You're such a fucking Eeyore, dude. Why are you so glum, so down the, oh, I'm gonna plan, I'm gonna survive the whole thing. What animal would we all be in Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah.
I feel like, and this is like kind of a crazy answer, but like, I think Andy would be Piglet.
What?
Yeah, Andy definitely has Piglet energy.
Who would I be?
Tigger.
Okay, he's cool. I like him. Would I've been groomsman at your guys' wedding?
Of course you'll be.
Fuck yeah. Andy, that's why I fucking love you. That's why you're fucking my teddy bear.
I fucking love you too.
What about you, Connor?
I don't know.
You could have lied and said yes and never would have fucking known. But I respect the indecisiveness, fucking honesty. Connor? Andy, get the fuck out here already. Cue the music.
Flynn, are you gonna walk me over?
Oh my fucking god. Okay. It's a fucking cardboard cutout. Come on, man. This is for you.
Flynn, are you gonna do the...
Oh yeah, I got a ring for you, Andy.
All right. Look at me. Andy, do you take Shelley here to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Shelley, do you take Andy here to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
All right. Now, with the power invested in me, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. And as a tradition, we smash this.
That's a Jewish thing, right, Andy?
Yeah. Yeah, bitch!
All right, chill out. Get ready, Andy, for the best man speech of your life.
Hell yeah.
Andy, my love, my beloved, the one I want to share kisses with in the morning, are all the things your future wife would tell you if she were here with us today, but she's not. But I'd like to think that Shelley takes the spirit of your future wife. She may just be a cardboard cutout, but Andy, she is the woman that you would spend the rest of your life with. I saw this quote. I just read this quote like 2 weeks ago. If you're ready to die, then you can really live. You know, Connor's gonna be fucking raccoons tomorrow morning, living in the woods like a survivalist, and Andy's gonna be making cardboard babies with Shelley, and who knows where I'll be. You know, I'm gonna be watching the sunset. That's where I'll be. Because I didn't watch that one fucking day of my...
Hey Flynn, I hope you wake up to read this. I don't know if you remember last night, but you came at me first.
That's why there's a cut on your forehead. I want you to know I wouldn't attack you guys. I wouldn't even try to hurt you guys if we weren't in this situation. I had a fun time last night, really. But I know if I act smart, if I really try, I can see my family. I can get through this. I can survive. I left a bit of food for you guys in the pantry. Try to get some of it before Andy takes it all, because we know he's a big eater. And Flynn, I liked your best man speech. That stuff about the sunset, I hope you get to see it. Enjoy it for me. Good luck out there, Connor.
Andy, wake up. Someone's trying to take our food.
You don't know what you're talking about, Flynn. Just go to bed.
Don't tell me to go to bed, I'll go to bed. Oh, you got a big knife and now I'm supposed to be fucking afraid of you. You're not gonna take my food.
Go to bed!
Stop. Andy? I don't think I'm coming back. I'll see you around. God, I hate this shit.
Good.